Hi guys, Steph here. Right, what we got for you today? We've got a lovely pen for you people. Now, you regular viewers that watch on a regular basis will see my pen haul videos, and occasionally you will hear me say, I might even keep this particular pen. So occasionally in the pen hauls I do see a pen and I think to myself, ooh, I like that. And there was one particular pen in my pen haul, I believe, I think it was July this year, and you would have seen this pen here. Right, this one is a very interesting one. In fact, what I'm going to do, it's a Targa pen and pencil. I'll do a review on that because that's one of the pens that I'm going to keep in my own collection, I think. I don't know yet. And here's that particular pen in question. So as you heard in that particular video, I thought to myself, ooh, I like that and I think I'll keep it. So what I did, when I found some time, I just gave it a just gentle clean, and it's actually, as you can see here, comes in this, it's actually the original Sheaffer box of that particular period with the word Sheaffer to the back there, and it comes, as you saw before, with the pen and the ballpoint. So let's pop the box to one side. So first of all, we've got the ballpoint. Now, I'll keep this brief on the ballpoint because, well, as you people know, I'm more of a fountain pen man, but it comes as a set and it comes with the fountain pen and the ballpoint pen. Okay, so we'll pop that to one side, and here's the fountain pen. Look at that beautiful pen. Okay, so what we've got, as it says, we've got the Sheaffer Targa 1006, and this is the CT, or chrome trim. I believe they also brought out a GT which had a gold clip, but in my opinion I think this one is very nice indeed. Okay, a gorgeous pen. Now, very briefly, for you people that have not seen the Targas before, I've actually shown you numerous Targas before, but yeah, the Targas, they came in many different patterns, not necessarily trim, because the pen itself in the design was basically the same. The only thing being, the difference being, is they came in many different patterns, some very rare, some quite common, but very much a collector's pen. If you're looking to collect pens in different colours, etc., well, you may have actually seen a video I did a long time ago. My friend Alan, he's a Targa collector, and we did a video on his Targa collection. So yeah, if you want to see that, what I'll do, I'll leave a link to the top there so you can go and see Alan's Targa collection. He's got lots and lots of them, some quite rare. But back to this one again. What we've got, as I said, is the 1006 CT, and it comes in this geometric checkered pattern. Look at that, very nice indeed. Okay, the size of this pen from the top of the cap to the bottom of the barrel, 135 millimeters capped, around the barrel 11 millimeters in diameter. So as we said, in this checkered pattern, we've already mentioned it comes with a chrome clip, as you can see there. They're very recognizable Targa clip with the white dot to the very top there, and to the end of the cap and also the barrel there, we've got these lovely glossy black buttons. So very, very nice indeed. I like the Targas myself, but as I say, they do some common colours. I think I've got maybe 2 in my collection, and this one will be joining them 2 as well, because the reason being is if you look at the cap there, it's actually sterling silver. It's got the Sheaffer logo, as you can see there, and then it has to the end there USA. So that's the imprint there. So yeah, we've got a sterling silver fountain pen. Now, the reason it's sterling silver because the USA used the sterling silver markings, as opposed to here in England, they may have actually had, you know, the markings, if you like, the silver markings on the pen. But because it's USA, it is, as we said, sterling silver. Now this pen I'm dating from around about the 1980s. Okay, so it's not necessarily a very old vintage pen, but I suppose we can call it a vintage pen. But as I said, in my opinion, a very nice pen that I saw and I thought, ooh, I like that. And I've decided to actually keep this one in my collection. So let's take the cap off, which is a friction fit cap. Show you the pen in a couple of different angles. It's in stunning condition. All I've done is gently cleaned it, cleaned the converter inside, just giving it a gentle polish, and it's absolutely gorgeous. As I've just said, this one comes with the ink converter. I believe they take the cartridges as well. Personally, I prefer the converter, as we've got there, the Sheaffer converter. And then the nice thing about these pens, if you look at this section and the nib, it comes with, if you like, I think it's one of my favourite nibs, these Sheaffer inlaid nibs. So because it's a lovely nib, let's take a close-up of the nib for you. Okay, so there we have it, nice and close up. We've got this clutch band to the bottom of the section there. As we said, we've got this gorgeous inlaid nib that reads Sheaffer. It's got 14 carat to the left, and then it's got 585 just to the right. And then if you look to the bottom of the nib there, you'll see it reads USA. So very, very nice indeed. As I said, one of my favourite nibs. I love these inlaid nibs. There's a sideways view, and then we've got the feed underneath there, which is a typical Targa feed. And then just to the bottom, hopefully you can see, it's got the letter. Does it say M? I can't quite see over the camera. It may be F, or oh, it might be an F actually for fine. But hopefully you people can see it clearer in the video. So there we have it, the nice close-up of the nib. So as I said, nice close-up of the nib for you. Absolutely gorgeous. Very nice pen to hold, very comfortable, a lovely size pen, even with my large hands. Now, as I said, it's going in my collection. I personally prefer to collect my pens, look at them, admire them, etc. I'm not a big writer as such, but let's just do a dip sample. So what we've got is a Sheaffer Sheaffer Targa, this one made in the USA and made circa, I'm saying, around about the 1980s, and this one is in lovely sterling silver, and it's this lovely crosshatch pattern. It's writing very nicely indeed, as you'd expect, and these don't tend, well, they don't have a flexi nib. Okay, so we're running out of ink there, so that'll be fine. But there's a writing sample for you, as it says on the section with the letter F, writing with a fine line. So very nice indeed. What I'll do, let me just give the nib a little bit of a wipe. We'll swill that out before it goes and joins the other Targas in my collection. Absolutely lovely. As I said, ooh, I like that. So, I hope you've enjoyed looking at the pen as much as I enjoy showing them to you people. Don't forget, leave a comment down below. Don't be shy. Give the video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe as well. But for now, I'm just going to say Slava Ukraini from me and this gorgeous pen. Bye-bye for now.